In this video, you'll learn about the differences between Shopify and eBay for small sellers. By the end of this guide, you will have a clearer understanding of how to choose the platform that best suits your business needs. To begin, it's important to understand the fundamental differences between Shopify and eBay. eBay functions as a marketplace where millions of buyers actively search for products every day. In contrast, Shopify is a platform that enables you to create your own independent online store. With Shopify, you have full control over branding, website design, and marketing strategies. While eBay provides built-in traffic from its existing user base, Shopify requires you to attract your own customers. Recognizing these distinctions is crucial for small sellers in determining which platform aligns with their business goals. Next, consider the costs and features associated with each platform. eBay typically charges listing fees along with a percentage of the final sale price, which can add up depending on your sales volume. On the other hand, Shopify operates on a monthly subscription model, and you may incur additional costs for apps that enhance your store's functionality. eBay manages much of the marketplace infrastructure, simplifying the selling process for users. Conversely, Shopify offers a wide range of tools to customize your store and establish a unique brand identity. Evaluating these costs and features will assist selling style. Moving forward, small sellers often find that eBay is a good starting point due to its established customer base. However, Shopify is particularly appealing for those looking to build a long-term branded business. Some sellers even choose to utilize both platforms simultaneously to maximize their sales opportunities. When deciding between the two, take into account your marketing skills, budget constraints, and long-term objectives. Testing each platform by listing a few products can provide valuable insights into which option works best for your specific needs. As you reflect on your choice, remember that selecting the right platform is essential for sustainable business growth. Each platform has its unique advantages that can cater to different selling strategies and goals. The decision should align with your vision for your business and how you intend to engage with your customers. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.